at Cameron Highlands right now, and we have just sweep all the food off because we were really hungry. The line are starting to pour in, and Nicole's playing with her phone. James is in the toilet, so we'll be waiting for him.
I want 6 wall. How's it getting lower?
No idea. Right now, right now we're trying to find for a cafe. Not sure whether we're lost, but we'll see.
To the left.
Left? Straight? I think it's the amount of people there. Oh, we found it. Yay.
Oh, this is so interesting.
Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, it's raining very badly, but we managed to secure some goods for our scones. Hopefully it's good. Okay, so we came here early in the morning to try to grab these scones. Roughly what time? That time?
Wow. Plus 3.5 hours, so it's like almost mid-12? 11, 12?
11-ish, and we only picked it up around 4:45 p.m. Yeah, so
marmalade.
I think this is vanilla apple compote, and then this is like obviously the strawberry.
Butter?
Yeah, butter, but they do not have clotted cream. So can we show them the scones? Sorry, we're not very good at this vlogging thing.
Look at that!
Yes!
Oh my goodness,
Okay. Jump. So like, she told us the tip is, do not eat it like a burger. So you need to eat it side by side.
Did?
Yeah.
Ah.
Cause she said like, I think clipping it will just sort of like spoil the fluffiness or the texture or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna try it now. I'm really excited. So this is how it looks like. It looks really fluffy, eh? It looks very promising, don't you think?
Definitely.
Oh, I hope it's good.
I'm drooling.
Okay, let's eat. Oh, so good or not? Okay, give me your review.
Okay, the top part is firm. Maybe on the crusty side. As you bite it, it's soft.
Show the side section.
It's like, oh my goodness. And then as you crunch it, oh my goodness.
Really or not?
Yeah. What if I take you?
Okay. Okay. That feels a bit dry. Personal opinion. Quite doughy. Let me try with jam. The jam is good.
Yep.
It's their jam. Sauce.
Jam.
Okay.
Everything.
So I think the stars are the strawberry jam and the vanilla apple compote. Especially that one, right? The vanilla apple. Yeah, it's good. But the scones, I feel, I mean, for us to line up and to make the effort, I feel okay lah.
I wouldn't even mind buying just this one.
Yeah, just these.
This one will do.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I've just took another scone because we just want to finish it anyway while it's warm. And this one's actually nicer. And it's exactly a good scone, a legit good scone. I think it's maybe just not too consistent. I don't know, but this is good. This is Can you see the side section?
Mm.
This one's fluffy, not too dry. Oh. Not too doughy, cakey, just right. And I think this would really be perfect with the strawberry jam or even the vanilla apple. By the way, this place is called The Sorok. And it's legit hidden.
Oh, smells nice. I'm feeling nervous right now.
Why?
People are watching me.
We gotta watch you. What else are we gonna do?
Oh, I like the smell. It's vanilla.
Oh, she's like more professional than this. I could tell right away.
You're going to reserve your comments or you're going to try something like strawberry first?
I think the jam is nice.
There we go. The scones?
I've had better.
Aha!
But at least it's not too doughy, but it's okay. I like the smell. Slightly doughy.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
I can taste the dough. It's nice actually.
Okay, still acceptable.
Oh yeah?
Huh?
We will tell you.
No, yeah, we'll tell you later. Or when you watch our video, you would know.
But I don't know what's the hype till they have slots.
It's crazy, right?
I know, wow.
Very sweet.
I thought the strawberries was okay. Like, it's not very sweet. Yeah, I think we all had one thing that we agreed on.
Yeah. I wouldn't mind buying a jar.
That's true.
Yeah,
The vanilla apple just
it's quite good.
is good. So currently we just checked into the Airbnb and I'm making sandwich for myself tomorrow. Only I'm getting peanut butter and banana because I'm the F&B PIC and I want this for myself. Everyone else is getting more, I think, a more practical sandwich, which is tuna mayo and egg sandwich. Yay! Yay! Are we gonna make it? It's break time! We're at CP2. Resting while we wait for the others coming over. Almost everyone is here at CP3. I'm a champion. We're a champion. Hey! I'll stop over there. Still, it's definitely worth exploring. Are you ready to bonk? Okay, Jaden, are you ready to bonk? Yeah! Oh, I can't believe I made it. Jay, how you feel?
20% only. This is bro.
Oh, sweet. Yeah. Oh, nice. Finally made it in roughly 7 hours. Now waiting for the gang. This is how my shoe looked like after the hike. Please recover. Please be clean again. We're having chicken rice for lunch. And while we're at it, I'm gonna ask my friends to talk about their hiking experience. James, how do you enjoy your hiking? How long did it take you, first of all?
20 hours.
20 hours?
I would definitely take the shorter version next time. But overall, weather was very good, except for the slight drizzle. But doing it with friends is always amazing.
Aww. Nicole?
It was good. The scenery was nice, so it was worth it lah. Somewhat worth it.
Will you go again?
Not up to the peak, up to the Mossy Forest, yes.
Okay. We are lining up for Chendol right now. Look at the line. Insane. Okay, this is the famous Chendol.
That looks damn good.
The chendol itself. Pandan.
Very rich, very flavorful.
Oh, yeah.
Very flavorful.
They say the
Coconut is very
yeah,
thick.
but tapi better yang ini berapa? Correct.
Hey, finally got my ungki tofu pha. Very smooth. I'm having coffee from Jalan Theatre Coffee. Okay. It's 8 p.m. and I finally arrived home. Well, overall I'm quite upset because maybe I haven't gotten a lot of footages at the Koribas Trail, because on the way down it was really muddy, it was slippery. So I just didn't want to take out my phone to record, and I just wanted to keep going down. For me personally, I ended it around 14 hours and came out around roughly around 6:40 p.m. It was quite tiring. I don't think I'll ever go back again, but nevertheless I did have fun with my friends, and actually I enjoyed the Ipoh trip very well, because we had a few food that we really enjoyed, and I'm glad I did it with Nicole and James. And yeah, so this is the end of it, and I hope to do more of these, and just for the memories.